Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy,
I'm Sarah.
and today we would like to share with you 3 pro tips to saving money when you're shopping for groceries in the supermarket. So for pro tip number 1, buy house brands.
So here is a list of grocery items we came up with, and we compared the prices between name brands versus generic and house brands. Some of these there are staple items such as milk, tissue, and bread.
If you choose to purchase house items over generic brands, you can potentially save up to, in our example here, $32 on a trip to the supermarket. Multiply that to once a week or even once a month. You're looking at a huge saving a year. Now for pro tip number 2.
Make a shopping list before you enter the supermarket, or you may end up buying more things than you really need.
When you enter the supermarket, it may seem overwhelming if you do not have your list of items written down. Write them down. It can be very easy to do so. You can jot them down on a piece of paper or even using mobile applications.
Pro tip number 3, don't shop when you're hungry. This is because our purchase behavior is influenced by the current state we are in.
For example, when you are hungry, you have a tendency to buy more food than you had intended to buy for that week. Again, this comes to point number 2, making a grocery shopping list.
So thank you for listening. If you have more pro tips to share, comment below. And don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page, Jeremy, Sarah, Journey. We will see you in the next video.